Good morning, guys. It's your boy Jaime G coming at you on this Wednesday morning to let you guys know what's going on in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, today's content is going to be strictly on Bitcoin. There is so many positive uh, fundamentals right now surrounding Bitcoin, guys, that are positive and bullish catalysts for the near foreseeable future, guys. We have El Salvador, who has now passed the bill for Bitcoin to be legal tender in the whole country of El Salvador. Now you have Mexico wanting to follow the same footstep. You have El Paraguay as well wanting to accept Bitcoin in that country. And I have a couple other bullish articles to share with you guys. We're going to just briefly touch on all these articles. Now there's so much stuff to touch on, guys. So let's just dive right into the content. All right, guys, as you can see, Bitcoin right now is in the green, which is a good thing. You know what I mean? It is currently up 3%, and it is trading at $34,257. It has a 24-hour high of 34,277 and a 24-hour low of 31,245. Market cap is sitting at 642.05 billion, and volume in the last 24 hours is up, and it's at 47.93 billion dollars. Now, guys, it is crucial for Bitcoin to continue to keep going up in price and in volume if we want to go past that level of resistance at 40,000. That is the 200-day moving average, which is acting as our resistance. It was our support, but now it is resistance, right, guys? And anytime you are under the 200-day moving average, it is technically a bearish trend. That's why so many people think we're in a bear market and think that the bull run is over. Now, in my opinion, I think there's just too many positive fundamentals surrounding Bitcoin that we're going to get into here in a second. And there's just a lot of bullish catalysts coming up in the near foreseeable future for Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So I just don't see it happening yet. There's just a lot of manipulation going on, guys, in my opinion. But we need Grandpa Bitcoin to be in the green. We need him to be happy. When he's happy, he's in the green. And when he's grumpy, he's in the red, guys. You know what I mean? Because if he's not happy, he's in the red, and the whole markets are in the red, as you can see. Let's just briefly look at the markets. As you can see, you know what I mean, there's more green now, guys, than there was yesterday and the day before. Granted, there is still red, but there is a lot more green now. Why? Because Bitcoin is in the green. You know what I mean? The markets follow Bitcoin. It is what it is, no matter whether we like it or not. It's just, that's the way it goes, guys. But enough of all that yip yapping. Let's dive right into the positive fundamentals. Let's start off with El Salvador. It says, it's official. El Salvador's legislators vote to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Let's dive right into this. This is extremely bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, guys. There's this major adoption. We're in the beginning stages. I keep telling you guys, man, we're gonna make life-changing gains. You just gotta be patient. It says early El Salvador officially recognizes Bitcoin as legal tender. In an early Wednesday vote, a supermajority of the nation's legislature voted in favor of President Nayib Bukele's proposal for the Latin American nation to adopt Bitcoin. The president intends to sign later tonight or early in the morning. 62 members of the legislature voted in favor of the bill, with 19 opposed and 3 abstentions. This is huge. It says Bukele provided further details about his vision, pitched as an effort to boost financial inclusion in the country, where a scant 30% of citizens have access to financial services. In a Twitter Space conversation early Wednesday morning, hosted by Nick Carter of Castle Island Ventures and Coinmetric, users won't necessarily have to use a government wallet, he said. Bukele also said in the same Twitter Space conversation that the country was designing a new law that would grant permanent residency to any individual who invests 3 Bitcoin into El Salvador's economy. The bill will mandate all businesses to accept Bitcoins for goods or services, but the government will act as a backstop for entities that aren't willing to take on the risk of a volatile cryptocurrency, he said. This is huge. It says a trust that the government will set up at the Development Bank of El Salvador to instantly convert Bitcoin to US dollars will assume merchants' risk, he said. It will hold about $150 million in the trust fund. Right, guys? So this is huge news, guys. This is the first country ever to accept Bitcoin as legal tender, right? And you have all these other countries as well, right? Now let's dig into this article. Now it says Mexico lawmakers aim to follow the example of neighboring countries with proposed Bitcoin legislation. Like I said, there's a movement going on now in Latin America, guys, where they, you know what I mean, are wanting to adopt Bitcoin, you know what I mean, as legal tender. This is huge, man. It says Eduardo Genesoa, a senator of the federal government of Mexico, has said he will be submitting a proposal to lawmakers seemingly aimed at crypto adoption in the country. In a tweet today, Genesoa changed his profile picture to feature the senator speaking into a microphone with the iconic laser eyes. Obviously, that means he supports Bitcoin, guys. Says the indicating support for crypto, the lawmaker said he would be promoting and proposing a legal framework for crypto coins in Mexico's lower house, specifically mentioning Bitcoin. Genesoa was not the only Mexico lawmaker indicating their support for crypto. Indira Martinez, a senator representing the state of Nuevo Leon, also switched her profile to show laser eyes, with Genesoa referring to her as a friend to the cause. We are going to lead the shift to crypto and fintech in Mexico, said Genesoa. The social media activity comes as countries in Latin America have seemingly been taking steps towards greater adoption of crypto. In a video announcement to attendees of the Bitcoin 2021 conference last week, and it talks about El Salvador, you know what I mean, passing Bitcoin. This is huge, guys. This is just huge, man. Now let's get into another bullish article, right, guys, where it talks about the country of El Paraguay, right? Let's see here, right? Another Latin country, right? Says Paraguay Congressman Carlos Rejala hopes to draw crypto business to the South American nation with a new bill next month. It says next month, Paraguayan Congressman Carlos Rejala plans to present a bill to attract international mining companies and other crypto businesses. Then it goes on to say Rejala, a 36-year-old entrepreneur, discovered Bitcoin in 2017 and began trading in 2019, a year after taking the deputy seat for the independent Hagamos Party. He said on Monday, following the announcement El Salvador would introduce a bill to allow Bitcoin to treat as legal tender. Rejala tweeted a photo of himself with laser eyes and a sentence about the project. This is the announcement prompted me not to be afraid and to think that this can be real in my country, he said. Man, the project seeks to position Paraguay as the crypto hub for Latin America and a model for the other countries in the region, he said, adding that if the bill is approved, he will seek to present a second one promoting the use of Bitcoin as legal tender. Man, this is huge, guys. Huge, 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 man. And this is, you know what I mean, a lot of positive, like I said, a catalyst for the near and foreseeable future of Bitcoin and crypto. You know what I mean, guys? And then we have good old MicroStrategy. You know what I mean? Buying 500 million. First, let's touch this article, right? It says crypto exchanges see biggest altcoin outflow in 7 months, a reason to cheer. Right? I'm just going to briefly touch on this. It says crypto exchanges registered a net outflow of 22,550 Bitcoins on Monday, the biggest single day net drain since November 2nd, 2020. That was 7 months ago, guys, according to data provider Glassnode. The blockchain analytics firm tracks flow from 13-bit cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. The outflow can be described as malfaceted, bordering on hodling and the use of digital currency in decentralized finances. Peter Kovac, co-founder and CEO at the global payment network Mercuru Tokendes to hodl obviously means is to hold, right? The number of Bitcoins held in exchanges wallets fell to a 3-week low of 2.54 million from 2.56 million. Investors typically move coins from exchanges to wallets, taking out liquid supply from the market when they intend to buy and hold in anticipation of price rallies. You know what I mean? That is just another bullish sign, guys, to me, that just the bull market is not over. You know what I mean? There's just a lot of FUD and a lot of fear going on right now, guys. I mean, a lot of manipulation going on. Why? Because these bigger entities want Bitcoin for a cheaper price, guys. You know what I mean? You just got to stand strong. Grab your cojones, man, and hold tight. Okay, now here is another bullish article. It says MicroStrategy boosts notes offering to 500 million as it seeks to buy yet more Bitcoin. It says Business intelligence firm MicroStrategy has boosted its planned bond offering to $500 million, according to a tweet from Bloomberg. It says on Monday, MicroStrategy said intended to offer $400 million, but now it's doing $500 million, guys, in senior secured notes to raise funds to boost its holdings of the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization beyond the 92,079 bitcoins that it already holds, guys. At the time of the company warned that based on the fluctuation of Bitcoin price during the Q2 to present date, it seeks taking an impairment of at least $284 million for the quarter ending June 30th. Man, guys, you know what I mean? This is there's just continuing bullish fundamentals around Bitcoin, man. That's why I just truly believe that the bull run's not over yet, guys. You know what I mean? It's not. I truly believe it's not. Now, I'm going to touch on two other articles, guys, that to me are funny. Right, guys? Why? Because it's like it just proves that the manipulation is there. You know what I mean? Like you have Warren Buffett, who is a hater of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, right? Said it's trash, garbage, and it's going to go to zero, and that he wish it never existed, right? Now, I'm going to touch on this article. Now, trip on this. Now, it says Berkshire Hathaway invests $500 million in Brazilian digital bank Nubank. Now, if you dislike cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, why are you going to invest $500 million in a digital bank in a foreign country? Sounds fishy to me. It says Berkshire Hathaway, led by renowned investor and Bitcoin critic Warren Buffett, has made a $500 million investment in Brazilian digital bank Nubank. In an announcement Tuesday, Nubank said that the Berkshire Hathaway investment is an extension of the G Series funding carried out in January. Series G is the 8th fundraising event for a startup. Nubank said in terms of its number of customers, it has already reached 40 million, and in the first 5 months of the year, it has grown at a pace of more than 45,000 new customers per year or per day. The digital bank has recognized as an influential company in Latin America by Time and one of the most innovative by CNBC. That is huge, guys. Now, he's a hater of Bitcoin, but he's going to invest 500 million into a digital bank that's obviously going to deal with digital currency. Yeah, that sounds pretty fishy to me. Now, here's another article that I find funny, guys. It says Goldman Sachs backs 28 million funding round for block of day. Now, a couple weeks ago, they had a bullish article saying that Bitcoin was it was a class of an investment class all of its own, right? Which was bullish sentiment around Bitcoin. And then just last week, they had an article come out saying that Goldman Sachs dislikes Bitcoin, and that they're not really interested in investing somewhere along them lines, where they're basically hating on Bitcoin again, right? They're flip-flopping, and now yet they're going to invest 28 million into a cryptocurrency company. Yeah, it's all fishy to me. You know what I mean? From Warren Buffett to Goldman Sachs. It says Goldman Sachs has backed a 28 million Series A funding round for blockchain infrastructure firm Blockadaemon. The funding was led by Greenspan Associates and including participants from crypto lending firm BlockFi and crypto asset broker Voyager, along with the $5 million investment from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is an American multi-institution investment bank with a net worth of $131 billion. The banking giant appears to be paying a significant amount of attention to crypto of late. In May, Goldman led a $15 million investment round in blockchain analytics from firm Coinmetrics. Right? And also launched Bitcoin derivatives trading for institutional clients in the same month. It says Blockchain provides state and node infrastructure for institutional clients such as Goldman Sachs. According to the firm, it has averaged more than $5 billion in staked assets over the past 12 months and has forecasted that figure to reach more than $50 billion by the end of 2021. Huge, guys. Right, guys? Look at that. From 5 million, it's going to go to 50 billion by the end of this year. That is crazy. Right, guys? And then they're going to spread FUD about Bitcoin, right? It's just manipulation. It just goes to show you guys. Well, that's what I had for you guys early this Wednesday morning, guys. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful. If you did and you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider to like and subscribe. Don't forget about my giveaway, guys, $150 and $300. You guys stay blessed and stay safe, and stay tuned for my other video later this afternoon. Peace out.